when the National Museum came to me first, I asked what would they like me to make for the permanent collection, and I was told that I could do anything that I wanted. An open brief is quite challenging, but to be part of the permanent collection of craft and design is a real honour, so I wanted to do something that was meaningful to me, so tied in with not just my design ethos, but also my sort of worldview, if you like, my interest in environmental issues. I wanted to make a series of 3 cabinets. The idea behind them is that they will be made from hedge timber, so that is woods from trees that are native to Ireland and typically grow in Irish hedges. So part of what I wanted to do was use those timbers, which are maybe considered to be more humble, maybe not fit for much else other than using as firewood, and to make high value objects out of them, because to me they are very valuable, not just as timber, but as a resource. We're losing our native hedgerows at a phenomenal rate. This is all holly, dovetail carcass, and it's just going to have, as you see so far, a hand plane finish, because it's got a real sort of bone-like quality to it. Incredibly dense, incredibly hard. Door frames and the drawers, hand carving them to give them a sort of a texture. Particularly on the quarter sawn grain really shows up the qualities of the wood as I see them. And that's kind of one of the things I try to do, is somehow different woods seem to have different sort of characteristics or feelings to them that I sort of treat the surfaces and the edges in a way that I try to convey how I see the wood to other people.